Hi, and welcome back to my channel. And today we are going to be doing our Birchbox opening. And it is a box that is, I'm going to be opening the box while I'm talking. It is a box that is $15 a month. You get 5 sample products. They tout that they are a recyclable and sustainable company. And they usually come in a box, and it's a really cute box usually. It has nice artwork on it and everything. And if you are new here, hi, hello, how are you? My name is Jennifer. I do unboxings on this channel, but I do lots of other makeup material, and I also talk about subjects regarding agoraphobia. If you are interested in either of those topics, or say both of those topics, then I would suggest that you subscribe to my channel and hit that notification button and set bell, it's a bell, and set it to all, and you'll be notified every time that I upload a new video, and I would love to have you part of my family. And if you are interested in seeing what is in this box, then hang tight because we are getting right into it. Okay, if you are interested in my look today, I had posted it yesterday. It is my Get Ready With Me using, doing Shop My Stash. I will link it down below if you want to see that. Also, and I didn't mention this in my last video, I am having a giveaway, a 100 subscriber giveaway. And I will leave that down below too if you want to watch the video and see how to enter. And there's lots of gifts and prizes available to you, and go check that out when and if you are ready. Okay, let me open this up, and I am a liar. I did not get a box this month. I got a mesh bag with my 5 items, and with the box you get a card telling you what you got. Okay, I don't know what to do with a mesh bag. I do things with those boxes. I put things in them, I stack them up. I like those boxes. I don't like when they change things up. Okay, let's see what we got here. I'm sorry. Arrow. Here we go. Arrow. Under Eye Brightening Serum. Full size. This is not full size, but a full size of it would be $22. This tinted eye serum helps conceal, moisturize, and brighten under the eyes for an instant pick-me-up with light coverage. A little goes a long way. Gently tap under your eyes and blend. Well, this is interesting to see. That is way too dark for me. They always give me dark products. I need to change my profile on this. Okay. Let's just keep on going, shall we? Okay. Davines Solo Shampoo, a full size of this, would be $29. This shampoo is formulated to remove the residue of styling products. This rich and airy foam leaves the hair extremely clean. Apply to wet hair, massage and gently and release. I love how they put how to wash your hair in these instructions. Like you don't know how to wash your freaking hair. Let's smell this. It smells like grapefruit. I don't know what to think about that. Ipkin. Big Apple Sun Cream SPF 50. You can see the Ipkin on there. This oil-free SPF 50 sun cream has color contracting base and contains apple water extract to calm skin, minimize appearance of pores, and create a smooth canvas for makeup. Okay, I'm not going to open this because I might throw it into a giveaway or something like that. Because I have my own sunscreen. And next, we have Megababe Spacebar Detoxifying Charcoal Underarm Bar. Full size would be $8. I don't know if this is a full size or not. Odor control that's out of this world in just 60 seconds. Activated charcoal sands, odor-causing toxins down the drain. Glycolic acid and tea tree smooth and clarify. Okay, did y'all see that? I am not going to open this either because I might just put it as a goodie. Just to surprise one of y'all in a giveaway. And this I did pick. It is the Pearlies Youth Glow Vitamin C CC Cream SPF 50 Light. The full size would be $38. This 4-in-1 cream moisturizes, color corrects, brightens, and protects skin all at once. Smooth over face as last step in skincare routine or first step in makeup routine. Now, I got light. And seeing as a CC cream, that should work for me. Much better than this. Okay, my thoughts. Well, let's go over what we got. We got the Arrow Under Eye Brightening Serum in light, which is not light. It is more medium. The Solu Shampoo, wet hair massage and gently and rinse. We got the Big Apple Sun Cream SPF 50. Which is nice. We got the Megababe Spacebar Detoxifying Charcoal Underarm Bar. Who the winner of the giveaway might just see it in their box. And the Pearlies Youth Glow Vitamin C CC Cream SPF 50 Light. Which I am going to use. And this nifty little bag to keep it all in. what are my thoughts? I am probably going to cancel this box after I am in for like 6 months. So I only pay like $14 a box. I don't really get any joy out of this box. And the products they usually send me are too dark for me. And the lights are mediums, and I don't know. They just don't excite me at all, like the Ipsy products do, or the BoxyCharm products do. So, yeah, I think after my 6 months are up, I'm going to cancel this box. So, that's my opinion on that one. So, I'm sorry this was a downer of an unboxing, but if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, or you can give it a thumbs down, as long as you're engaging with me. I'm happy with it. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know if you get Birchbox. Maybe you got a better box than I did. I don't know. Maybe you liked your products. Just let me know what your thoughts are down below. And, check me out on my socials down below. I would really love it if you would do that for me. And, yes, I hope you are having a wonderful day out there. And if you are not, I sure hope your day gets better. And if you are having a particularly rough patch out there, I am sending out the good vibes to you to help you get better. And just remember to stay strong and take care of yourself and stay healthy and to stay safe. And I will see y'all in my next video, hopefully. And check out the giveaway down below. And again, take care and goodbye.